So we didn't start a handmade goods company because we have a joy of making candles, but we do, however, enjoy the process of creating. Our day job, we are full-time product photographers. So we work with product owners every single day. And to be honest, we got a little curious about that world. And plus we wanted to do better at our jobs. So we decided, let's start a handmade good company.
And, with the being curious, you see these people who are creating these products and then they come to us for the images, but then they come back with another product.
Right.
And another product, and people are always creating, and there's always something new, and then that kind of gets your wheels going.
Right. We're excited about this endeavor. Everything is done by us, the labels, the images, the video, the websites. So we have our hand in everything, and so we're excited to see, where this goes and what kind of products that we can bring to you.
Right. And then to bring the family into it too. We have 2 teenage boys, so we can bring them in on this process. And it's just kind of cool to see them be part of this from the ground up.
Yep.
And to hear their thoughts and ideas and to see them get excited about what this could turn into is pretty cool.
Yeah, so stick around. We're excited to see where this goes, and we hope you will join us along for the journey.
Yeah, stick with us.